start spinach into your hydroponic system, or what are the different ways you can prepare your nursery for growing spinach into your hydroponic system. All that information I am going to share into this video. Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, this is the part 2 of our series of growing spinach hydroponically. And in this video, we are going to discuss about making the nursery of the spinach for starting our spinach plant into hydroponic system. As I have explained you in the last video, nursery can be prepared many ways. Now we are going to grow our spinach into this DFT system. This is our 8-hour DFT system, and for growing spinach into this system, we must plant it into the net cup like this. Now, the first method I will explain you that we can grow directly the spinach seed into our net pot, and I will show you a small demo how you can do it. So for that, you can take the coco peat. So here we are taking some coco peat. So after filling this coco peat, you can make a small hole around half to 1 centimeter deep and take 2 to 3 spinach seed and put it into center and cover it with the same coco peat. This is the simple way of sowing the spinach seed into the net cups. Now we must give the regular water to this coco peat so that the germination takes place. So we have wet on this coco peat until the water is dripping down. Now we need to put all this type of cup, whatever number of the plant we want, into some tray and keep it moist regularly. We must ensure twice or thrice a day watering into this system so that our spinach seed remain into moisture and germinate fast. Once the seed are germinate, we can select one strong seed and remove the other one, and once the root are coming out of this net pot, we can transfer it. Now we are not going to follow this method because we don't want to grow spinach with the coco peat. So we are going to grow spinach with the help of this sponge. So we'll prepare the plant, then transplant this plant, squeeze this plant within this sponge and insert it. This will keep our system very clean. If you use coco peat, then there is a chance our DFT system piping may clog with the coco peat. So we are not using coco peat. Instead of that, we are going to use the sponge. But for that also, we need a plant, and plant can only be germinate well into the coco peat media. So what we are going to do, we are going to take a small tray or bucket like this. Here you can see the bucket. So we are going to grow the nursery into small bucket. Now you can see that this bucket is with the hole all the around. So this will not retain any extra water into the system. Now method is very simple for sowing. Similar way we have done the small hole into glass. We can open the small trenches half to 1 centimeter deep into this tray. Now spinach seeds are 30 numbers, around 30-35 numbers per gram. Now here we want to grow around 200 plants. So what we'll do, we require 6 to 7 grams of seed. So instead of that, we are going to use around 10 grams of the seeds, little extra plants, and later on choose the good plants and remove the weak plants. So once we make the small trenches, we must sow the seed generously into this. We can do it at a close distance also because we need to grow this only for the 12 to 15 days. So likewise, we will spread the seeds. You can see how much seeds we have spread. Then we need to press these seeds lightly into the coco peat so no seeds will remain on the top. So once we do this, then we must cover this with the same coco peat. Now the sowing work is over. We can push down any of the seeds remaining on the top. Now the only work left is to give the water. Now water we can give it daily, twice or thrice based on the weather condition. But here we are safe because what we have used is this bucket with all the holes at the bottom. So what will happen, even by mistake we will put some extra water, it will drain out. So this will maintain the good condition for roots to grow, and our no plant will be damaged with the excessive of the water. And we need to ensure this watering till our spinach grows to 3 to 4 leaves. Now talking about the nourishment. So once the spinach plants develop the 2 leaf, and when it starts developing 3rd leaf, we must start the light nutrition. That nutrition can be used 19-19-19. We can simply use 2 to 3 gram per liter of this 19-19-19 fertilizer and feed our plant so that it will develop well and root system will develop well. Once it reaches to 4th leaf, the plant is sturdy enough to handle. So after that, we can transplant them into this net pots and shift it to our system. But those all things we'll discuss into the next part of the video, where I am going to show you the transplant and the nutrition management. So meanwhile, you can start collecting your material and start your spinach nursery like this. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel and put the bell notification button on, so that when I put the next video for transplanting and nutrition management, you will get the update and start transplanting your spinach with me and get all the information about nutrition for growing it well. So now it has been 4 days since we have put this spinach nursery into this bucket. Now you can see the very healthy germination and the vigorous growth of the plant. This plant actually germinated in just 2 days. Initially it was like the small plants like this, but in these 2 days, another 2 days, it has got good sunlight and it has grown to this level. Now these plants are almost ready to transplant. So further we are going to transplant them into the net pots for growing it into this DFT system. But that detail I will give you in next video, that includes the transplantation and establishment of the plant into DFT system. So friends, how do you like my method of growing spinach seedlings into the small buckets very quickly and very effectively? Please write me back into the comment box. And if you are interested in growing it hydroponically, then you need to subscribe my channel and put your bell notification button on, so when I put the transplantation video, you will get the immediate update on that. Happy growing!